We have made Sabudana Kheer today. See how creamy it looks. Kheer should not be too thick, and Sabudana Kheer thickens very fast. Hello friends, welcome to Desilicious Kitchen. Let us see how to prepare Sabudana Kheer. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to our channel Desilicious Kitchen and press the bell icon for notifications. Sabudana is very starchy. You need to wash it well to rinse off the starch. If there is too much starch left in it, the milk becomes very thick. Then we will not get the taste of the well-boiled condensed milk. And moreover, the sabudana will not get cooked properly. So now wash it very well 2 to 3 times and discard this starchy milk. Wash until the water runs clear. Now we have washed it well. Now let us soak this sabudana in milk for about 25 minutes. This milk is what I have already boiled and cooled. This is half a cup, that is 125 milliliter out of the 1.5 liter milk we have taken. We have taken a heavy bottom vessel to boil the milk. We have not taken a broad vessel as the milk will boil very quickly in a broad vessel. And we want the milk to boil very slowly. When it boils slowly, the milk becomes very aromatic and tasty. Now let us add half a cup water to this 1.25 liter milk that we are boiling now. Why are we adding water? Adding water ensures that the milk doesn't get burnt. We have kept the flame high while boiling the milk. Now our milk has been boiling for 10 minutes. Let us add some of the boiling milk to this kesar and keep this aside. We will add this later on. It will give a nice color to our kheer. Now our milk has been boiling for about 15 minutes. It's time for us to add the soaked sabudana along with the milk. So now let us add the sabudana that we had soaked. Soaking the sabudana in the milk makes it softer and tastier. The flame is still high. We'll continue to keep the flame high until the milk comes to a boil. Then we will lower it. Ensure that you scrape the sides also while stirring the milk. The milk has been boiling for 3 minutes on a high flame along with the sabudana. It has come to a boil, so now we have kept the flame low. Now let us continue to boil this on a low flame for another 5 minutes. Now it is 7 minutes that the milk has been boiling on a low flame. Let us check on the sabudana. The sabudanas are now well cooked. They have become transparent now. Now it is time to add the kesar that we had soaked in the milk along with the milk in which it was soaked. This kesar will give a lovely color to our kheer. Now let us add in elaichi powder or cardamom powder. We have crushed about 6 to 7 green cardamoms in a mortar and pestle after discarding the skin, and we have added them to it now. Now let us add in sugar. We have taken 1 cup sugar. If you find it too sweet, you can reduce it. Sugar will be according to your taste. Mix it well. Now let this boil for about 7. Now after 7 minutes, we have switched off the flame. Our sabudana kheer is all ready now. This is the consistency in which we have kept it, because we are going to have it hot. This is creamy and nice, but in case you want to have it after refrigerating or after it has cooled down, then you must keep it more liquid. In that case, you can switch off the flame much earlier, at least 5 to 7 minutes earlier. Then you will have this consistency after it cools down. Now let us serve our sabudana kheer. As I said before, we are going to have it hot just now. That is why we have kept it in this consistency. But remember, if you want to have it after it cools down, then keep it in a more liquid consistency. Switch off the flame much earlier when it is still thin in consistency. Otherwise, the sabudana kheer will thicken. This kheer looks so yummy and tastes so good. Now let us garnish it with some nuts. We have taken badam, that is almonds, pistachio and kaju or cashew nuts, and slice it thin. Take any nuts of your choice. Hope you enjoyed watching this recipe as much as we did showing it to you. Bye for now. See you soon with another video. Take care. Thank you very much for watching.